Does my wife automatically get half? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law, and this is a question that typically comes up when someone is approaching divorce and is naturally afraid of what their financial future will look like. What will they have for assets? What will they have to give up? Whether it's the wife or the husband, they may be anxious about that. And so the way that it works is that all property owned by either party is considered for property division in Massachusetts. Now, whether it actually gets divided and how depends on a number of factors: length of the marriage, age, health of the parties, income, prospects for acquisition of assets in the future, earnings potential, and a number of other factors. There are a couple that are particularly significant. One is the length of the marriage. Putting everything else aside, generally the longer the marriage, the more likely it is that the property is going to be divided approximately equally. And the other significant thing to keep in mind is that non-economic contributions to the marriage count just as much as economic contributions. And so one of the things the court looks at is, what have these people done to help the marriage? And what's important to remember is that if, for example, one party is the breadwinner and they make all the money, but the other party was taking care of the home, raising the children, that the homekeeping and the rearing of the children is not less valuable than the person going out and earning income for the family. So it's very important to keep that in mind, because some people think that the court is going to look at how much money each party brought in and determine how the property will be divided that way, and that's just not the case. So you have to consider non-economic contributions, because they can be just as important as economic contributions. So length of the marriage, what have the parties contributed, and there are a number of other factors. There is no simple answer to this, but that's just one way to think about it, is the longer the marriage, the more likely it'll be divided equally, and you have to consider what both parties have contributed, both in terms of making money and in other important aspects of the marriage. So that's the answer to whether the property will be divided. And if you have any other questions, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and you can share this with anyone else you think may benefit from it. And you can find us on Facebook at Farias Family Law. Thanks. Have a good day.